Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to change your username in Snapchat app. For this, go to your Snapchat, then click on your profile icon. After that, go to this setting gear button here. Now go to username, let's change it. Your username might become eligible for use by someone else in future. Your username can only be changed once a year. Continue. Now click next. Give your password here. Confirm. Continue. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.